In this video we are making pasta alla Norcina, a beautiful pasta from the region of Umbria, in the middle of Italy. The region famous for truffles, salami, porcini mushrooms and pasta alla Norcina. Today we are making pasta alla Norcina, and all we need are simple, delicious, top quality ingredients, starting by 250 grams of Italian sausages, artisan Italian sausages. 3 sausages make 250 grams. Then we need 250 grams of a short pasta. I've chosen rigatoni. You can choose mezze maniche, penne. But if you love long pasta, that's still okay. Short pasta, I think, it's a little bit better because it helps to combine the ingredients. Then we need 200 grams of ricotta cheese. If you don't want to use ricotta cheese, you can use cream. That's what people use in the modern days, cooking cream. I still prefer to make my cream with the ricotta. For the base of the sauce, we're gonna use half onion chopped into pieces, 1 garlic that we're going to crush, and then we also need 2 tablespoons of Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino Romano, 1 fresh truffle. If you cannot find fresh truffle, I guess you can use truffle oil, but if you can find truffle, get it. Half glass of white wine, and you don't drink this, okay? We cook with it. Extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. That's it. First thing to do is the extra virgin olive oil. This is so important, and my extra virgin olive oil today comes from the region of Umbria. I'm trying to use all ingredients from Umbria. And what we do here, we're starting with the onion. Start browning the onion, okay? For about 2-3 minutes before we add the crushed garlic. And here we go. After about 2 minutes, now we can add the garlic, and I like to crush my garlic, okay? So let's crush it. Let's crush the garlic, which is gonna give more flavors to this beautiful base. Now we stir. What I like to do so my garlic doesn't burn, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of water, splash of water. And this is gonna help so my garlic is not gonna burn, okay? That's the trick. And at the same time, the onion is not gonna burn. We're gonna do this for about 2 minutes now, and then we add the sausage. Now what we're gonna do with the sausage is this. We're gonna cut the sausage in half here, get the skin off, so peel it off. And what I like to do now, I like to squash it like this with a fork before we put it in the pan, okay? Just do this. Now you need to remember, Norcia, the town in Umbria where this pasta is from, it's very famous for sausages, okay? The sausages, salami, prosciutto, everything is delicious there. So we can't really compare the sausages from there with the sausages that we find, you know, here in Australia or wherever you're from. But we can add the right flavors in it to get as close as possible to that dish, okay? I want to take you to Umbria with this dish. So now let's put the mince in the pan. Let's put it in there, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the fork to spread it. Now use the fork to spread the mince. Do this straight away, because if the mince starts to cook, it's a little bit more difficult to separate it. I want to do this right now. The moment we start cooking the sausages, we are going to boil the pasta, and my pasta takes 30 minutes to cook. So, boiling water, we get 1 tablespoon of rock salt, and here we go. Now we can add the pasta and cook it for 13 minutes. When you boil pasta, please make sure you go and stir about every 5-6 minutes, because you don't want the pasta to get stuck to the bottom of your pot. Once the sausage starts to brown, you can see they are browning, we are gonna add half glass of white wine. The white wine evaporates, okay? So it's safe for kids, for everyone. If you don't like to use white wine, you can use water, or you can use a little bit of vegetable stock. But white wine really helps, because you need that acidity level in this dish. So as you go here, you break the sausages like this. At this point, we're going to put some salt. Not much, because the sausages already have flavors. And pepper. Put as much pepper as you like. Oh, the smell coming out from this pan, and the wine helps to get that smell. It plays such an important role. Beautiful. I'm going to make you a pasta you can't refuse. You can buy this t-shirt online. Just search for Vincenzo's Plate Store t-shirt and you can buy it. Let's get some pasta water. And here we go. Now is the time for the ricotta. So we're gonna turn the ricotta into a cream for a pasta. Now we get the ricotta. Get the ricotta and use a fork to break your ricotta. Ah, yum yum. Try to use fresh ricotta, okay? That's the best you can do to really have nice flavors. Now that we have the ricotta, let's add the Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino into our ricotta. Let's put a little bit of pasta water. I would say about 2 tablespoons of pasta water. And mix. Mix, mix, mix. We might need to use more pasta water. We'll see how we go. At this point, we need more pasta water, so I'm gonna add 2 more tablespoons. And I think we are okay. Yeah, here we go, look at that. Okay, mix a little bit, so we get a nice consistency. The consistency that we want is like the scrambled egg consistency, okay? Just like that. Beautiful, look at this. This is a ricotta cream for pasta alla Norcina. As you can see, the wine is evaporating. See, there is not much left in there. And this is the liquid released by the sausage, okay? So at this point, what we need to do is to make sure the meat is cooked, and it is cooked. Break as much as you can, okay? Try to break so you get more small pieces, okay, of sausage meats. Now is the time for the ricotta cream to do the job. All right, go in. Seriously, if you can find sheep ricotta, it's so much better. Stir. You want now all the ingredients to make love together. Love together, okay? We got 2 more minutes for the pasta. Let's make sure the next 2 minutes these ingredients are making love. We're gonna grate some truffle now, so we cook it together. And the other rest of the truffle, we are going to grate it raw on the pasta. My precious truffle. My truffle. I love you. Now we gently want to cook the last 2 minutes of our sauce. We're going to add the truffle, and I like to grate it, okay? So just grate it. The reason why I want to do this is because the truffle, when you cook the truffle, it brings out more flavors when you cook it. It's a personal choice. You can like it more raw or cooked. I like them both, okay? Here we go. Now I'm infusing those beautiful truffle flavors in the sauce, which is basically ready. Cook it for an extra minute. before we add the pasta. Pasta alla Norcina is almost ready to be enjoyed. We are almost ready to eat, okay? So be ready. Let's get the pasta out. Oh, beautiful. I love rigatoni. I can't say this is my favorite pasta, but rigatoni is one of my favorite. Look how beautiful. And now let's combine all the ingredients. All right, now let's put the pasta in. Here we go. The reason why I want to go for a short pasta, especially rigatoni, is because I want the sausages to go inside together with the ricotta, together with the onion. All right, now before we stir and combine ingredients, let's put some pasta water. I've got about 3-4 tablespoons. Still on the stove, okay? Now let's mix, stir. Ah, the flavors in this kitchen are divine. Divine. Okay, stir, stir. If you like, toss it, and I'm gonna do that because the tossing is so important when you want to mix all the ingredients, when you want to combine all the ingredients. Let's do it. And look how beautiful it's gonna look now that we tossed. Look. Ah, yes, baby. Yeah, look how creamy. Look how creamy this pasta is. This is a pasta you can't refuse. You need to look at this. You need to look how creamy this pasta alla Norcina is. Look how fantastic this is. Look at the ricotta. How the ricotta made the magic. Look how important the ingredients are, huh? Look, I bet you wish you can be here right now. But you know what? Go and buy the ingredients and make it yourself. Look how creamy. Look at this beauty. Look at that sauce over there. Look at that. Look at that. Look what the ricotta can do for you. Mix with the sausages. I want the sausages to go inside the rigatoni. Ah, oh, beauty, 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 beauty. Now it's time to be quiet and listen to the music. Top it up with the beautiful sausages and the ricotta sauce. Fantastic. This is, again, simplicity at its best. Look at that. There's one thing missing, and that's called truffle. Let's shave some truffle on top, and let's finish this beautiful dish. Yum, yum, yum. If you don't want to plate the pasta, put it in a nice plate, large plate, like Nonna does, you know, and then you can get your portion. And this is how you make pasta alla Norcina, the Umbrian way, the real way. Best time of the video. It's time to eat this beautiful, creamy, without cream sausage pasta. Come on, let's have it. Let's get the sausage. Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. It's a big portion for a big boy. Oh, let's have more. The mix of ricotta, pecorino. Oh, so creamy. And the sausage. You need a top quality Italian sausage, please. Please. I'm going to eat the whole thing. Honestly, this is a must. What are you waiting for? Come on, go and make it. A glass of white wine and you are set for the evening. So thank you so much for watching this episode. Please write a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia! Vincenzo's Plate. Pasta alla Norcina with truffle. Oh.